This recipe takes 20 minutes active, plus 4 to 6 hours freezing to prepare, and serves 8 to 10 people. A festive, no-bake Turkish dessert that layers chewy Maraş dondurması, mastic ice cream, with crunchy pistachio baklava and toasted pistachios, finished with honey, a kiss of rosewater and cardamom, and bright pops of orange zest and pomegranate. The contrast of silky, stretchy ice cream and crisp, nutty baklava makes every bite decadently crunchy creamy. Drizzle on dark chocolate, and scatter pastel candy-coated almonds for an Easter-ready showstopper. Irresistibly elegant, yet simple to assemble. This cake is perfect for sharing at spring gatherings or holiday tables. Your guests will be begging for seconds. Let's now check the ingredients. 750 grams Turkish Maraş dondurması, mastic ice cream, slightly softened. 12 to 16 pieces Pistachio Baklava, roughly chopped. 100 grams unsalted pistachios, coarsely chopped. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon rosewater, optional. Half a teaspoon ground cardamom, optional. Finely grated zest of 1 small orange, optional. 50 grams dark chocolate, melted, optional drizzle. Pomegranate arils or pastel candy-coated almonds for Easter garnish. Small pinch sea salt. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line a 9x5 in 23x13 centimeters loaf pan with plastic wrap or parchment, leaving overhang on all sides. Chill the pan in the freezer for 10 minutes. In a large bowl, gently fold the softened dondurma with honey, sea salt, rosewater, cardamom, and orange zest, if using, until just combined. Return to the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, so it's spreadable, but not runny. In a separate bowl, toss the chopped baklava with the chopped pistachios to create a crunchy layer mix. Reserve a small handful for finishing. Spoon half of the flavored ice cream into the prepared pan and smooth the surface with an offset spatula or the back of a spoon. Sprinkle half of the baklava pistachio mix evenly over the ice cream and very lightly press so it adheres without sinking too deeply. Spread the remaining ice cream over the top, smooth again, then scatter the remaining baklava pistachio mix over the surface. Fold the plastic overhang to cover. Freeze until very firm, at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight for the cleanest slices. To unmold, invert the pan onto a chilled serving platter and peel away the lining. If needed, briefly warm the outside of the pan with your hands or a towel to release. Finish with thin drizzles of melted dark chocolate, optional, an extra thread of honey, and Easter-appropriate garnishes like pomegranate arils or pastel candy-coated almonds. Sprinkle the reserved pistachios on top. For neat slices, warm a sharp knife in hot water, wipe dry, and cut 2 to 3 centimeters thick pieces. Let each slice sit 2 to 3 minutes for the signature chewy dondurma texture. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.